Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here. Okay, so you've got yourself the brand new OnePlus 12. You've been enjoying the beautiful design that it has to offer. You've been enjoying customizing that beautiful display in the front, but maybe you want to take customization to the next level. Well, that's where DBRAND comes in with the many skins that they have to offer for the OnePlus 12. They just recently released these for this device right here. No, this is not a sponsored video. They actually did send these skins out for a future sponsored video, but I decided to make this separate video for you guys because I know there are not tons of accessories available for the OnePlus 12. So I really wanted to share the skins that they have to offer with you guys in case you do want to customize your OnePlus 12 just a little bit more than what you already have. Now, I will be honest, this is my second time shooting this video because the first time I forgot to turn the microphones on and I had already applied this skin right here showing it. So I'll show some footage from that. As you can see, even this red skin right here looks really cool on the OnePlus 12. Kind of looking like you got flames in the back of your OnePlus 12, and these skins are very easy to apply. And then I switch it up to this one right here, one of my favorite skins that you can get from DBRAND. This is the acid skin, and just look at how it changes colors depending on how I hold it into the light right there. And then you still got your OnePlus branding right there in the middle, as you can see. And applying these skins to your OnePlus 12 device is very, very simple. Now, I'm not gonna do it here on camera because I'm not gonna lie, it is a bit difficult applying it behind the camera, like where I am right now. But I mean, it's very, very simple. You basically just line it up, slap it on, and just, rub out the edges. Now, I do recommend using a blow dryer on the edges and the corners after applying the skin. That way you get a smooth finish all the way down. You don't have to worry about it peeling up. Now, as you can see, I do have other options of skins right here, and this is another one of my favorite ones, kind of like the one I have right here, but this one is called Triple Black. Very, very cool. Still got that same design, but is a pretty much like a fully matte black finish, looking really, really cool. And then we have these other ones, if you like more of, having more colors in the back of your device that kind of pop right here. You got the blue and the red, white in the middle. You also got these two right here, looking really, really cool. And they also just have tons on their website as well. And I have a link down in the description below in case you do want to pick one up for yourself. Now, these are case compatible, so they are compatible with a case. So if you still want to, show off the cool, back of your OnePlus 12 with the skin that you have on there, just throw on a clear case like this one right here. Look at that. So now, not only does my phone look cool, but I'm also getting some protection as well with the clear case right here. Now it looks even cooler because, I can throw my phone around if I want and it'll still look cool. It'll still look good and I don't have to worry about damaging that skin in the back. But I mean, if you're not a case person, then, these skins really are for people who don't like having cases on their phone, but it will still protect the back of your device from scratches, not only the back, but I mean the camera lens as well. So you will get some type of protection here in back of your OnePlus 12, just protecting it from scratches. But like I said, I'll have a link down in the description below in case you do want to pick up a skin for yourself. Really hoping that DBRAND does come out with their DBRAND grip case for the OnePlus 12 because I absolutely love that case. I use it on all of my devices that they have it available for. So really hoping that they're going to bring it for the OnePlus 12, and hopefully they will be bringing their ghost case as well because that ghost case is a clear case. So that clear case along with one of their skins, I mean, you are golden. You're gonna get some style and some protection as well. But if you do happen to pick up a skin for yourself, not just what I have right here, but if there's anything else, other skin that you think is cool that you see on their website, let me know down in the comment sections below which skin you got, which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up. I hope it did help you out in some type of way. Like I said, I know that there are not a whole lot of accessories available for the OnePlus 12. So of course I had to go ahead and share these skins with you guys here on the channel to see if maybe you'll want to customize your OnePlus 12 as I have here. But again, thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications so you're not missing out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.